It began with a simple sigh. Winston, Amanda Blake's cherished French Bulldog, let out a small, wheezing breath on that otherwise peaceful morning. Amanda had been blissfully unaware of the storm about to hit her life, a storm centered on this little dog who had become the heartbeat of her home. Winston was not just a pet. He was her confidant during long nights working on design projects, her partner on morning walks along the Malibu coast, and the recipient of countless kisses and midnight cuddles. French Bulldogs are known for their charm, those large, bat-like ears, those soulful eyes, the way they snort and snuggle. But they're also known for one harsh reality. Their health challenges are many and often expensive. Breeders, vets, and insurance companies all agree the breed's unique structure, while adorable, makes them vulnerable to serious medical conditions. For Amanda, this was something she had always been aware of, which is why she had invested in a premium pet insurance plan, an exclusive policy that covered the absolute best care money could buy, with premiums higher than most humans pay for their own health insurance. But nothing could prepare her for that day. When Winston's breathing worsened, Amanda rushed him to the luxury animal hospital just minutes away, a place where the lobby had marble floors, velvet chairs, and a champagne bar for anxious pet parents. This was no ordinary vet. This was the kind of facility that handled pets like VIPs, where concierge-style care was standard, and where surgeons specialized in rare, complex procedures that few other hospitals could even attempt. The diagnosis hit Amanda hard: brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome, a condition where the shortened skull causes restricted airflow, had progressed into a life-threatening emergency. Winston's soft palate was swollen, his nostrils nearly closed, and his trachea collapsing. The only option was emergency reconstructive surgery to open his airway and give him the chance to breathe normally again. But the cost? $60,000. Amanda's mind raced as the doctors explained the complexity of the procedure. It wasn't just one surgery, but a series of delicate interventions: laser surgery to trim the excess tissue, placement of a temporary tracheostomy tube, and weeks in the intensive care unit. They would use technology and expertise from across the globe. They would monitor Winston's vitals with precision equipment that could cost more than a luxury car. Nurses would provide round-the-clock care, watching every breath, every twitch, every heartbeat. It was a staggering amount, even for someone with financial means. But Amanda didn't hesitate. Winston was family. The decision was clear. Thanks to her luxury pet insurance, Amanda knew she could say yes without a second thought. Her insurer had vetted and approved the surgery almost immediately, sparing her from any agonizing delays. The policy wasn't cheap, $1, $200 a year, but for peace of mind, Amanda considered it priceless. The surgery took place 2 days later. Amanda stayed in the hospital's parent suite, a room designed for comfort, complete with a kitchenette, a reclining leather chair, and a private balcony overlooking the Pacific Ocean. She was allowed to visit Winston in the ICU, where he lay hooked to monitors and oxygen tanks, his tiny chest rising and falling with effort. During those intense days, Amanda experienced a roller coaster of emotions. She felt helpless yet hopeful, terrified yet determined. The medical team kept her updated with detailed reports and photos. She watched videos of Winston on his first tentative steps post-surgery, cheering with tears streaming down her face. Winston's recovery was slow, but miraculous. From the brink of death to wagging his tail again, it was a testament to the power of modern veterinary medicine combined with the fierce will of a dog who refused to give up. Amanda's story spread rapidly after she shared on Instagram, accompanied by candid photos and heartfelt words. Thousands of people reached out, many surprised to learn how specialized and expensive pet care could be. More surprising was the revelation that French Bulldogs topped the charts for luxury insurance claims, a fact backed by data from leading pet insurers showing skyrocketing costs related to brachycephalic breeds. The viral buzz sparked discussions about the responsibility of breeders, the importance of health screenings, and the rise of luxury veterinary care. Industry experts were quoted explaining why breeds like French Bulldogs, English Bulldogs, and Pugs are more susceptible to costly surgeries, often requiring emergency interventions that average pet insurance plans don't fully cover. Amanda became an advocate for pet insurance, encouraging other owners not to wait until crisis struck. It's not about being extravagant, she explained in interviews. It's about being prepared to fight for your pet's life when the unthinkable happens. Her insurer even invited her to join their ambassador program, sharing her story to educate others about the benefits of comprehensive coverage. Winston, meanwhile, returned home a hero. His snorts were louder, his tail wagged harder, and Amanda made sure his diet was optimized to keep him healthy and strong. Today, Amanda's experience is cited in luxury pet care forums and insurance guides as a pivotal example of why investing in high-end pet insurance matters, especially for breeds like the French Bulldog. For her, the $60,000 was not just a bill, it was a lifeline. And for Winston, it was a second chance to be the little king he was always meant to be.